In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to one-to-one emails in Hubspot. Adding an unsubscribe link to your personal one-to-one emails is a simple but very important step. It helps you stay compliant with email regulations, it builds trust with your contacts, and it gives your recipients an easy way to manage how they hear from you. In Hubspot, you can set this up once in your settings so that the unsubscribe option is automatically included in all of your one-to-one emails going forward. Let's walk through exactly how to do this, step by step. First, log into your Hubspot account and look at the top navigation bar. In the upper area of the screen, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your main settings area. This is where Hubspot keeps all of the configuration options for your account, including email. Once the settings page loads, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you have two possible ways to get to the correct place, depending on how your account is organized. One way is to click into Objects, then choose Activities, and then select Email. If you don't see that exact path, look for General instead, and under that, choose Email. Both routes take you to the email configuration area where the unsubscribe options are located. When you're on the email settings page, make sure you're on the Configure tab. This is usually selected by default, but it's worth double-checking. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Unsubscribe Link. This is the area that controls whether Hubspot automatically adds an unsubscribe option to your one-to-one emails. In that unsubscribe link section, you'll see a toggle for Include Unsubscribe Link for all one-to-one emails. If it's currently turned off, click the toggle to switch it to on. Turning this on means that every one-to-one email you send from Hubspot will include a clear link that lets the recipient opt out if they no longer want to receive those types of emails from you. After you've turned the toggle on, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This step is critical. If you navigate away without saving, Hubspot won't apply the new setting, and your emails won't include the unsubscribe link. Once you've saved, you're done. From now on, your one-to-one emails will automatically include an unsubscribe link, helping you stay compliant and making your communication more transparent and professional.